Blast off with us, event organizers. We're launching into year 2, and it's time to review some best practices for event retelling. Before we start, make sure you have all your year 1 event data. It is a good idea to use digital tools. If available, you need to look back at your photos, videos, feedback, and any other relevant materials. Think about what worked, what didn't, and what you can improve. Next, analyze the differences. What's new in year 2? Have there been significant improvements, shifts in focus, or changes based on year 1 feedback? Be sure to use last year's timeline to help you assess. Then, create a compelling synthesis of the updates. Highlight the most impactful modifications and explain the why behind them. Consider the addition of new sponsors, a streamlined attendee registration process, or the changes in the agenda. Showcase your information side by side to compare the year 1 experience to the year 2 upgrades. Compare and contrast the events. This will help make changes clear. Nail your event retelling and make year 2 the best yet. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more event organization tips.